Analog multiplier and the PLL. Analog multiplier, a multiple produce an output voltage V0 which is proportional to the product of two inputs Vx and the Vy, that is V0 is equal to Kv. Logarithmic summing techniques, pulse height weight modulation techniques, variable transconductance techniques, multiplication using Gilbert cell, multiplication using variable transconductance technique. An actual multiplier has its voltage of V0. Squaring model or accuracy. The square law curve is obtained with both the x and y inputs connected together. This is the waveform for the full scale of an circuit. So the quadrant defines as the applicability of the circuit for the bipolar signal and its inputs. Quadrant device accepts only positive input signals. Two quadrant device accept one bipolar signal and one unipolar signal, and the quadrant device accepts two bipolar signals. Logarithmic summing techniques. Here we are having a two input which is connected and add into another input. This what represents the Vz is equal to Vx into V5. As shown in the figure, the input voltage Vx and Vy are converted to their logarithmic equivalent, which are then added together by a summer. An anti-logarithmic converter produces the output voltage of the summer. The output is given by the V is equal to ln inverse. Exponentially relationship between the collector and the current, the base to the emitter voltage of a bipolar transistor during its active mode of operation, logarithmic and anti-logarithmic conversion. A circuit, a simple multiplier using emitter coupled transistor pair. Two transistors are paired itself. IC1 and IC2 are related to the differential input voltage. The DC transfer circuit to the emitter coupled pair as shown in the figure. It shows the emitter coupled pair can be used as a simple multiplier. This is the output representation for the coupled transistor. So the arrangement is shown in the figure. It is simple modulus. It is a simpler modular circuit constructed using differential amplifier. It can use as a multiplier provided V1 is small and much less than 50 microvoltage and V2 is greater than the V on. But the multiplier circuit shown in the several limitations. The first limitation is V2 offset. The condition is that the V2 must be positive. So remains as two quadrant multiplying operation. So Gilbert multiplier cell. Gilbert multiplier cell is the modification of the emitter coupled cell, and these allows four quadrant multiplication. Analog multiplier. This is the circuit shows the analog multiplier and the product of instant and in values of two individual output voltage. The important application of these multiplier are multiplication, division, squaring, and the square rooting of the signals, modulation and demodulation. These analog multipliers are available as an integrated circuits. The application of multiplier. The multiplier ICs are used for the following purpose: voltage squarer and frequency doubler. So this is the circuit diagram for the voltage squarer and the frequency doubler. Thank you.